goal mo ba to when you started? I remember, I don't know kung January yun or may time before, may gap eh.
Yeah.
Kasi at first, you had those, exactly what your content is now. Pero pitik-pitik. Tapos I don't know, for a few months lang ba? Hindi ko maalala.
Oh, that was like the year
timeline.
before. I haven't moved out to my new spot yet.
Oo. May niluto
Parang
ka
gumawa
na.
lang ako ng content. And fun fact lang, si Jake, isa siya sa mga nagkukulit sa akin ever since.
More.
Tuloy mo yan.
No, kasi during the pandemic, I did content na.
Oo nga eh.
After like 5 videos, I stopped kasi parang I couldn't handle the haters yet at the time. And then at the same
May
time...
haters na nun.
Oo, meron na. Kasi nag-gain na ako ng traction nun eh. As in, there were like a group of people who were thinking I was copying this guy. And I was like, I don't even know this guy. Tapos, they would tag their friends dun sa posts ko and they were like, tingnan nyo to, ganyan.
Oh, shit.
Parang anong trip? Alam mo yun, like, are you guys like literally gatekeeping, creating food content? Are you for real? Alam mo yun?
Expecting haters lah.
So parang nung pandemic, that was a thing. And then I was like, you know what, never mind. Di na lang. Stop na lang.
Ininis nyo ako eh. Kulit nyo.
Parang, hindi parang,
For fun dapat to.
alam mo yun? And then it wasn't fun anymore. Alam mo yun? So I was like, hindi ko naman siya pinagkakakitaan din. And never ko naman siya naisip na pagkakakitaan ko siya at all. So like, never mind. I'm tired. And then yun, so during that time, si Jake, ever since nun, like, he would say, oy, balik mo yung Cooking with Ikoy. Ganyan. That's what it was called before. And then, yun. And then I put out a couple of videos nung 2023. And then, yun, yung January of this year, parang, nag-decide talaga ako na parang, okay, I'm gonna commit to like, putting up at least
Consist.
2 videos every week. Like, gagawin ko siya bala na kung ano man yung trip, ganyan. So I was experimenting with the format. Like, nung umpisa, makikita niyan, some of the videos are still up. Yung mga early ones, ibang-iba siya. Hindi pa ako pumapasok ng condo. Parang, di ba na yun? I did that and then it worked and then I just kept doing it. So, parang yun. Before noon, it was completely different. And then, ayun lang. Tas, yun. So, to answer your question, hindi ko muna talaga siya inisip na pwede ko siyang pagkakitaan. Pero nung nagkaroon ako ng solid na traction, bigla, and then there were a couple of brands right away.
Oh, that early? May mga nag-DM
Meron
na?
ng may mga nag-DM na agad.